Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special that's been making waves for anyone looking to capture moments with a touch of nostalgia. The B25 35mm film camera with flash. This isn't just another camera. It's a vibrant pink portal to the past, designed to bring the joy of film photography to both seasoned enthusiasts and complete beginners, including kids. One of the first things that strikes you about the B25 is its charming aesthetic. The pink finish is undeniably eye-catching, giving it a playful yet distinctly vintage feel. It's compact, lightweight, and feels robust, making it an ideal companion for everyday adventures, parties, or casual strolls. Its reusable nature is a huge plus. You're not just buying a one-off gadget, but an enduring tool for creative expression. Just load a roll of 35 film, shoot, develop, and then reload for your next set of memories. The built-in flash is a game changer, especially for a camera aimed at simplicity. It ensures that even in low-light conditions, your photos won't be lost to darkness. This feature makes it incredibly versatile, allowing users to experiment with different lighting scenarios and still come away with authentic film shots. It's a point-and-shoot dream, no complicated settings, just aim, click, and let the film do its magic. What makes the B25 truly stand out is its appeal across generations. For adults, it's a fantastic way to reconnect with the tactile experience of film, to slow down and appreciate each shot, embracing the unique imperfections and character only film can provide. It's a refreshing break from digital photography, encouraging a more thoughtful approach. For kids, it's an incredible introduction to photography without the overwhelming complexity of modern digital cameras. It teaches them about light, composition, and patience, all while having fun with a cool, pink gadget. The vintage aesthetic isn't just skin-deep. The photos it produces have that classic film look, a certain warmth, grain, and depth that digital often struggles to replicate. It's perfect for creating those dreamy, nostalgic images so popular right now. Imagine capturing your summer vacation, a birthday party, or candid moments with friends, all with that timeless film charm. In a world dominated by digital, the B25 35mm film camera offers a delightful return to basics. It's affordable, fun, and delivers genuinely unique results. If you're looking for a simple, stylish, and reusable film camera that's perfect for anyone from a curious child to a nostalgic adult, this pink B25 is definitely one to consider. It's more than just a camera. It's an experience, a conversation starter, and a way to make new memories while celebrating the old.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.